A single human sneeze can launch 100,000 germs into the air, creating an invisible storm of chaos in mere seconds. Picture this: a sudden, explosive burst sends microscopic invaders spiraling through the atmosphere, each one a tiny traveler on a journey that could impact anyone in its path. The force of a sneeze can propel these germs at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, making them not just fast but also incredibly effective at spreading. In crowded spaces, this sneeze storm can quickly turn a simple act into a chain reaction, where each unsuspecting person becomes a new vector for the germs' relentless march. The next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember the astonishing power you're about to unleash and the microscopic worlds you're setting in motion. It's a reminder of how interconnected we truly are, sharing the air we breathe and the microscopic life within it.